Hello children, welcome to you. In my previous class, I finished the chapters 5 Profit, Loss and Discount. Today I am going to start new chapter 7 Algebraic Identities. Algebraic identities belongs to algebra. Children, in the previous class you have learned multiplication of algebraic expressions such as monomials, binomials and trinomials. But in class 8 you have to learn algebraic identity. So first of all I am going to say about identities. We can define the identity as follows. An identity is a statement of equality which holds for all values of the variables. It means when two algebraic expressions becomes equal and it is true for all values of variables, then it is called an identity. In this chapter you have to learn 5 identities. Identity 1, TT1, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Identity 2, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Identity 3, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Identity 4, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Identity 5, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are 5 identity you have to learn. At first we will verify the identity 1 and identity 2. Verification of identity 1. You can verify the identity 1 by taking any values of a and b, say a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2. Then LHS of identity 1 equal to a plus b whole square. Now we put the value of a and b, we get 4 plus 2 whole square equal to 6 square equal to 36. After that we find RHS RHS of identity 1 is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we put the value of a and b, we get 4 square plus 2 into 4 into 2 plus 2 square equal to 16 plus 4 to the 8 to the 16 plus 4 equal to 36. We get LHS equal to RHS. Thus, identity 1 is verified. Now verify the identity 2. Verification of identity 2. Let a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 4. Then LHS of identity 2 equal to a minus b whole square equal to 6 minus 4 whole square equal to 2 square equal to 4. Now RHS equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 6 square minus 2 into 6 into 2 plus 6 into 4 plus 4 square. 36 minus 6 to the 12, 12 for the 48 plus 16 equal to 36 plus 16 minus 48, we get 52 minus 48 equal to 4. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Thus identity 2 is verified. Now I am going to explain the use of identity 1 and identity 2 by example. Use of identity 1. Example 1. Find 4x plus 5y whole square using identity 1. Solution. Let 4x is equal to a and 5y is equal to b. We know that first identity is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 4x plus 5y whole square equal to 4x square plus 2 into 4x plus 5y plus 5y whole square equal to 16x square plus 4 to the 8, 8 5 ja 40 xy plus 25y square. This is our answer. Now example 2. Evaluate 43 square by using identity 1. Solution. At first we split 43 into two parts. such as 40 plus 3 whole square. Here 40 on the place of A and 3 on the place of B. Then we use identity 1, we get 40 square plus 2 into 40 into 3 plus 3 square equal to 1600 plus 240 plus 9 equal to 1849. This is our answer. Now use of identity 2. Example 1. Find 4x minus 3y whole square using identity 2. Solution. Let 4x is equal to A and 3y is equal to B. Therefore, A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is identity 2. So 4x minus 3y whole square equal to 4x square minus 2 into 4x into 3y plus 3y whole square equal to 16x square minus 24xy plus 9y square. This is our answer. Now example 2. Evaluate 97 square using identity 2. Solution. 97 square, we split 97 in two parts as 100 minus 3 whole square and apply identity 2. So it becomes 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square equal to 10,000 minus 600 plus 9 equal to 10,000 plus 9 minus 600 equal to 9,409. This is our answer. Now children, I want to clear that your worksheet 1 is based on identity 1 and worksheet 2 is based on identity 2, which are your home assignments. Your classwork and home assignment are given in PDF. Do your classwork on equation and send the solution of home assignment on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.